In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word cannot save document in Windows 11. This is a common issue that many users encounter, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve it. Let's dive right in. First, let's try saving the file with a different name. Open your document in Microsoft Word as you normally would, then navigate to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. Here you'll have the opportunity to enter a new file name. Go ahead and type in a new name for your document. This simple change can sometimes bypass any hidden conflicts. Next, choose a different folder to save your document. This is important because sometimes the original folder might have restrictions or issues. Select a new location that you know is accessible. Once you've done that, click Save. This step ensures that any naming conflicts or folder issues are avoided. If that doesn't resolve the issue, let's move on to saving the file to another location. Again, click on File, then choose Save As. This time, try selecting a location like Documents or Desktop. These are default locations and typically have fewer restrictions. Click Save and see if the file saves successfully. If it does, then you've pinpointed the issue to the original save location or naming. Now, if you're still having trouble, it's time to check folder permissions. Right-click on the destination folder where you're trying to save the document. From the context menu, select Properties. A new window will appear. Navigate to the Security tab. Here you'll need to verify that your account has full control. This means your account has all the necessary permissions to modify the contents of this folder. This step is crucial because insufficient permissions can prevent you from saving files. If you find that your account doesn't have full control, you'll need to adjust the permissions. This might involve contacting your system administrator if you're on a work network or adjusting the settings yourself if it's a personal computer. Finally, let's make sure the file isn't set to read-only. Right-click on the Word file itself and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, look for the Read-Only attribute. If it's checked, uncheck it. This setting prevents modifications to the file, so clearing it is necessary. Click Apply, then OK to finalize the change. This ensures your document can be modified and saved without any restrictions. And there you have it. We've walked through several steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue of Microsoft Word not saving your document in Windows 11. By following these steps, you've addressed potential causes like naming conflicts, save locations, folder permissions, and file attributes. Remember, these actions are designed to tackle some of the most common reasons for this error. If the problem persists, consider checking for software updates or consulting additional resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep these tips in mind for future reference, and you'll be well prepared to handle similar issues. Until next time, happy document editing.